Well, hello again everybody. Roadskin have been in touch with me and sent me their AAA rated Taranis motorcycle jeans to try out. Now the difference between these and the CBT A rated jeans that I had before are that these are of course AAA rated, so provide that greater degree of protection. So yeah, looking forward to trying these out and seeing if they're as comfortable to wear all day for commuting and things as the CBT A rated jeans are, because they are very comfortable during the day in the office and such, if you're riding your motorbike backwards and forwards to work as I do. So let's bung the armour in and have a look. Now straight away I'm seeing that it has got my favourite feature, these sort of double pockets for the knee pads where you can put them at slightly different heights. So I'm going to go for the inner one because that seemed to suit me better on the other jeans. Righto, let's try them on. As I say, I am interested in seeing if they are as comfortable as the A-rated jeans, because the AAA protection is the highest rating that you get. So I'm expecting there to be a little bit of a sort of penalty in comfort to get that higher rating. Turn your back, everybody. Well, in all honesty, initially I'm not noticing much of a difference really. They feel just about the same weight as the A-rated jeans and just as sort of flexible and comfortable. So yeah, let's go and have a bit of a sit on the bike. Yeah, feels pretty good. Let's go for a bit of a ride. Well, I decided my regular ride into work would be a good way to try these jeans out. It's a pretty wet, miserable morning. I'm wearing the Roadskin over trousers to stop myself getting a good soaking. And yeah, it's pretty comfortable to ride in these. There's really no noticeable difference between these and the CBT A-rated jeans as far as comfort goes. I've been pretty impressed so far with the quality of these jeans. I mean, the stitching on them is lovely. There's nice sort of triple stitched seams on the sort of inside leg bit. Nice stitching around the pockets and stuff. They look really sturdy and hard wearing. And if the performance of the A-rated jeans I've got are anything to go by, then I expect them to last a very, very long time. Now I've got an affiliate link should you wish to buy yourself a pair of these jeans, and I'll put that in the description and also up on the screen here. And I've also got a discount code which will get you 10% off should you wish to purchase some. And yeah, I definitely recommend them. I wouldn't recommend them if I didn't like them, and you know, I really do like these. They are, as far as I'm concerned, a pretty good product. And I found them pretty comfortable to wear all day around the office. So this is a really good package in my opinion. You can wear them and get that AAA protection whilst you're on your bike, and yet during the day they're really no more uncomfortable to wear than a heavyish pair of normal jeans.